Embark on an exciting Kashmir food tour at Khayam Chowk, Srinagar. Experience the culinary wonders of Jammu Kashmir famous food as you delve into the realm of Kashmiri cuisine. Discover the mouth-watering flavors of Kashmir street food and immerse yourself in the vibrant food culture of Srinagar. Join us on a thrilling Kashmir food tour where we explore the hidden gems and culinary delights that await you. Step into Khayam Chowk, the heart of Srinagar street food scene, and indulge in the exquisite flavors of Kashmiri Kababs. From the iconic Kashmiri Kabab to the mouth-watering Seekh Kababs, Mutton BOTI Kababs, and Mutton TIKKA Kababs, each bite is a celebration of the region's rich culinary heritage. Uncover the secrets of Kashmiri Kabab recipes and learn to create these flavorful delights in your own kitchen. Experience the fusion of Mughlai food and Old Delhi-style cuisine in the mesmerizing flavors of Kashmiri Wazwan. Treat yourself to the succulent chicken Seekh Kababs, delectable chicken BOTI Kababs, and flavorful chicken TIKKA Kababs. Let your taste buds dance with joy as you savor the authentic taste of Srinagar's street food. Embark on a virtual journey through our captivating Kashmir food vlogs where we showcase the vibrant ambience and delectable dishes of Khayam Chowk. Witness the hustle and bustle of Srinagar street food and join us as we uncover the hidden culinary gems that make this food tour an unforgettable experience. Join us at Khayam Chowk, the ultimate destination for Kashmiri Kababs, and indulge in the irresistible flavors of Kashmir. From the aromatic Seekh Kababs to the succulent Mutton Tikka and the mouth-watering chicken Tikka, each kebab is a testament to the culinary artistry of the region. Savor the essence of Srinagar food and embark on a Kashmir food tour like no other. Let the flavors of Kashmiri cuisine transport you to a world of gastronomic delight. Khayam Chowk awaits you with open arms, ready to take you on a journey through the rich tapestry of Kashmiri flavors. Come and experience the magic of Jammu Kashmir's famous food at Khayam Chowk, Srinagar's ultimate food destination. In this video, mainly we are focusing on the kebabs of Khayam Chowk, especially Seekh, BOTI, and TIKKA kebabs. Seekh kebabs are made from minced meat, typically lamb or beef, mixed with various spices, onions, and herbs. The mixture is then shaped into long cylindrical kebabs and grilled over charcoal or in a tandoor. Seekh kebabs are known for their smoky flavor and tender texture. Kashmiri mutton BOTI kebab is a delicious specialty of Kashmiri cuisine. It's made from juicy pieces of mutton, marinated in a flavorful blend of spices, and then grilled or barbecued to perfection. The word BOTI refers to small chunks or cubes of meat. To prepare Kashmiri mutton BOTI kebab, the meat is typically marinated in a mixture of yogurt, ginger garlic paste, red chili powder, turmeric, cumin powder, coriander powder, garam masala, and Kashmiri red chili powder. The marinated meat is left to marinate for a few hours or overnight, allowing the flavors to penetrate into the meat and tenderize it. After marination, the mutton BOTI is skewered and cooked on a charcoal grill or in a tandoor, giving it a smoky and charred flavor. The kebabs are often basted with melted butter or ghee during the grilling process to enhance the taste and keep the meat moist. Kebabs of Khayam Chowk are typically served hot, garnished with chopped coriander leaves and accompanied by several chutneys whose main ingredients are radish and onion. Also, the kebabs are served with onions and lemon wedges. They make for a delectable appetizer or a main course dish in Kashmiri cuisine, enjoyed with traditional bread like naan or rice dishes like biryani or pulao. Here we are enjoying with rumali roti. The combination of tender mutton pieces and aromatic spices gives Kashmiri mutton BOTI kebabs a unique and delightful taste. Similarly, for Kashmiri mutton Seekh kebabs, we use minced meat and aromatic spices, which give that delightful taste that is cherished by food lovers.